In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to make $5 for every 10 seconds worth of work with no skills, experience or investment. Now, just before I show you everything, if you would like this type of content and you would like to see more, support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. But before we start, welcome to Easy Finance Boy, where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concern, question or opinion about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. With all that said, let's jump straight to the tutorial so I can show you everything. So the site in question that we will be using today in order to make a lot of money online is called spreads.com. This is a site you may have heard before, but if you haven't, you can see right here what it's for. Make your video go viral. Our platform is simple and easy to use. We put your video in front of the right audience to ensure that your video is seen. Get big results with even the smallest budget. So as you just heard, this is a solid help with your video popularity. So this tool is perfect for people who are struggling to get views on their videos and want more exposure. As simple as that. Now, something I really love about this tool with our paid views. As you can see, we have a 4.9 stars rating right here, with some giant companies being showcased such as Google, Honda and so on. And it's not just on their homepage, and the reviews are amazing. If you come over to Trustpilot, you will see that it has fantastic reviews on here as well, with 7 stars and over 300 reviews. Just over 18% of people rated it as excellent. So it is a very legitimate platform, guys, and nice reviews will be very important for us. But it's not because we will be using spreads.com, so don't worry, you won't be like creating videos and then using spreads.com to get views. Nothing like that. Anyways, how spreads.com exactly helps you get us on YouTube can see right here. You first off tell spreads.com what kind of audience you want to target. This of course depends on the type of video you're creating, whether they are gaming video, funny video or others. What happens from there is basically spreads.com does all of the work. They will use YouTube ads, as you can see right here, to advertise and promote your video to people who will actually want to view them. And of course, the end result is more views, subscribers and engagement. As I said here, further down you will see who is working with spreads.com at the moment, and just below that you can see that what niche the channel is doesn't matter whatsoever. In any case, you now know how this tool works, which was important for me to explain and show to you guys. I will skip going over all the other stuff showcased on their homepage, but of course, if you are interested, feel free to read all of that. What you need to do on here is scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click on affiliate program. That will now take you straight over to this page. We will indeed be promoting spreads.com as an affiliate, and the main reason is simply that a lot of people need this amazing website. YouTube is one of the most popular platforms with nearly 14 million different YouTube channels out there. This is very important, guys, because this means that you have the audience endless pool of people who will need spreads.com. In other words, you have an endless pool of potential customers, and this is very important with affiliate marketing, because if nobody wants to use this site you're promoting, then you can't make money. As simple as that. Now, with that big upside, there is a bit of a downside to spreads.com affiliate program, which I have to mention, and that is the fact that it's only offer 20% commission, which isn't a lot, but I think the sheer number of customers more than make up for it. In any case, what you now need to do is simply sign up to their affiliate program by entering in your first name and your last name, your email address and your password. Click on I am not a robot right here, Check this box and finally click on sign up now to create your account. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Once you do, you will want to grab that affiliate link from there. With that done, your next step now is to come over to google.com and you want to click on blank right here. From there you will want to write a guide of some sort of growing a new YouTube channel, and in this guide you will also tell people about the site that will be of immense help to them, like I have down below, and leave your affiliate link next to it so people can check it out. Now in case you don't know what to write, particularly just use Google Guide and search for something along the line of how to grow a YouTube channel, and from all of this page you want to find a few of the most common types they give out, and you will want to give out the same tips in your own guide. As I said, we will also leave the link spreads.com here as well. Now we will be giving this guide out to people for absolutely free, and not only will this actually help them, since these are proven steps that they need to undertake in order to grow, but we will also be getting quite a few clicks when you click on that affiliate link which will make us a lot of money. And this is precisely where spreads.com's amazing reviews come in. You can mention the reviews in the guide as well, but in any case, when people need to come onto their site and see their reviews, they will be more willing to do that, since now they have the assurance they are not wasting their money. So the reviews help out a ton when you're promoting something as an affiliate. Anyways, back to Google Docs. What you need to do when you finish this guide is grab this link, and to do so click on share right here. From there you will need to click on change to anyone with a link, so that anyone who clicks on this link, they will be able to view this guide, and only then you will click on copy link in order to copy. After that, I will show you exactly where to find potential customers, and Facebook groups are where we will be finding them. So you want to type in YouTube growth, YouTube channel growth, or something like that, and then select groups right down here. This will now show you all the groups relating to YouTube that you will want to join, and as you may guess, we will be giving away that guide to the members, and those members who you know will need spreads.com, since they are part of groups. However, here is the thing: if you post something on here that looks like an ad, people will automatically just call plastic without even bothering to check it out whatsoever, and in that way you won't be getting any clicks on your affiliate link. And so what you need to do is write a script similar to this one right here. You want to write something along the lines of I will help people grow their YouTube channels with this step-by-step guide for free. In order to participate, like this post and type done. I won't send it to you now. It doesn't have to be 15 people per, it can be 100 and 5,000 people. It doesn't matter. The point is that you want to create a sense of urgency with the members, and doing that will result in more wanting to check out your guide. When they start linking to the post and commenting on it, you will obviously send them your Google Docs link. From there you will start making a lot of money in passive income, since your posts will remain on that page forever. Alternatively, you can talk to the individual members of the groups instead of leaving a post. This is a slower and harder but more effective method to get clicks through your link. Tell people about the amazing reviews of spreads.com. Just go through all of its features and how to get people views, and people will be willing to check it out, and you will be able to make a lot of money anyway. This is it for today's video. As always, if you like it, if you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And that's it.